Good morning, students. Yesterday we have prepared the TLC plate. Today we have to develop and look at the components present in the given sample. The TLC plate, which is developed uh, by applying a silica gel or alumina gel, and on the reference lines we at the center we applied the sample spot, and we have kept in the incubator for 60 minutes, and that is the preparation of the TLC plate. So this prepared TLC plate is then taken into the development chamber and kept horizontally, means making an angle of near about 45 as shown in the figure. I will give the figure to you on WhatsApp group. The tank is filled by near about 1 to 2 centimeter by developing solvent. The three sides of the tank are lined with solvent dipped in the filter paper, which are dipped in the solvent. Means to saturate the vapors of the solvent in the chamber, we should close it by a lid and kept the TLC plate in the solvent vapor. The capillary reaction will start, the solvent moves upward, and the we after calculated time, the solvent front is carefully marked. Then the plate is taken out of the chamber and it is dried in an oven or by exposing to the atmosphere. That is the development. Now the fourth step is the location of the substance. The separated components of the mixture, if colored, are directly visualized, but the colorless components are detected either by two methods: by keeping the glass plate under ultraviolet light or by use of spraying reagent, the plate with reagent which will react with the components present in the given sample and produces the colored spot, and then we should have visualize the different constituents present on the glass plate. Even the concentrated acids like chromic acid, sulfuric acid, on heating can be used for the location of the substances. But sometimes this will cause a black spot on due to the reaction between the many organic compounds and the concentrated acids. Therefore, in general, the iodine vapors is commonly used as a detecting agent. When the TLC plate is placed in the vessel saturated with the iodine vapors, many organic compounds appeared as a brown colored spots. And the same thing, the RF value can be calculated as per in the paper chromatography. The distance traveled by the solute front divided by the distance traveled by the solvent front, and you can compare these values with the standard one, and you should know which constituents are present in the given sample. This TLC plate have different steps that we have discussed, that is preparation of the chromatogram TLC plate, choice of the solvent system, development, and location of the substance. Now, what are the applications of this TLC? The TLC is valuable analytical tool for both qualitative and quantitative analysis in variety of compounds like amino acids, carbohydrates, lipids, alkaloids, vitamins, terpenes, etc. This is a preparative method. The thick adsorbent layers up to 5 mm are prepared and higher sample can be detected load is applied for this one. The advantages of the TLC over the paper chromatography is that the stationary phase, it offers a choice between adsorbent to suit the separation of variety of components. While in the paper chromatography there is no choice, only filter paper is there. The thin layers up to 0.5 millimeter can be prepared, while in filter paper it cannot be, higher load cannot be applied. The TLC is very rapid and most of the separation can be completed within an hour, while the paper chromatography will require near about 18 to 24 hours. The separated spots are compact so that it is possible to detect the components at lower concentration, but in paper chromatography the separated spots are diffuse, they are mixed with each other. When the specific reagent is not available, the corrosive sprays and